Hi guys, it's me Patrick from Sprakuko Deutschlernen. Tomorrow I'm going to publish my first ebook. Los geht's, Deutsch im Alltag. I'm so happy. And I want to talk about it a little bit to give you a short overview about the content and the functions of the book. Let's have a look. Here you see the cover of my book that you probably know from my stories already, so I skipped that page and let's open the welcome page. Here you see a symbol. If you click on it, you will open a new page and check it out if it works. Bam! It's loading, so if you press symbols in my book, especially audio symbols, you will open the file linked to the symbol. In that case, it was the link to my web page. And here you find audio files, interactive online exercises to all the units of the book, and videos to all the units as well. More than 90 videos. Yes. And let's go back to the book. Let's have a look more deep inside the book. So, as you see, I click here and you open a new tab. As well, you can use the link here. And let's skip the pages here. You see the content here. It's 13 units. And here I will just explain some basic vocabulary for you to simplify the start, working with the book. I will explain the basic vocabulary here. And I want to show you a concrete example here. You have the first unit, Begrüßung, Name, Alphabet. Yeah? And if you're new, you're going to try like hello. Ah, yeah, I know, it's hello. Ich heiße, and you're trying to read it. But probably you have some problems pronouncing the words correctly. So that's why I linked all the audio files here. So you can just click on the symbol and you will open the audio file. Let's check it out now. I will click on the symbol.
Guten Tag, ich heiße Stefan Wagner. Wie heißen Sie?
Ich heiße Mamadou Diallo. Okay, as you can see, you hear the dialogue here. So it's perfect for you improving your intonation of the German language, pronunciation. You just press there and you listen to the file and you read the dialogue as well simultaneously. And this will improve your oral expression significantly. So let's check it out next time if you have the book in your hand. So, what I want to say is the symbols here, the speaker symbol, you can just click on them and you will open the audio files, as well the links that you have seen on the first page. And if you skip those pages here, so in the end of each unit, I will show you a summary of the vocabulary that is important in each unit and a grammar overview, of course, like in every basic course book, I guess. And I have a QR code in the end. Of course, you ask yourself now, okay, a QR code in the ebook doesn't make sense. I need another phone. It's stupid. Yeah, it is a little bit, but how I solved this problem, I just created a link here. If you click on the symbol, what will happen? It's going to open as well another page. And I want to tell you, because I didn't mention it anywhere, so I'm going to tell you to click on it and you will have an advantage. You open it, it will open.
Guten Tag, ich heiße Patrick und wie heißt du?
A video. And what's good about a video? I mean, the video creates a natural scenery. I mean, it's like going outside on the street, asking a German native speaker, or leading a conversation, a small conversation, and being able to respond to a question in the new foreign language that you are going to learn. I mean, it's awesome. If you are able to understand my question, if you're able to respond, you solved it already. You can go on with the book. If you can respond to all the questions I'm going to ask you, all the 90 questions, you can close the book and go on with the next one. And let's have a look at the other pages. I mean, I'm totally impressed as well. Let's do another book in another language that I want to learn, maybe English as well. My accent is quite weird. So let's go on. And I'm going to show you a little bit more of the book. Let's skip the page. on the next page you will find a quiz. So what I want to tell you is that you don't have all the time the same types of exercise, because then you will lose your concentration and the focus on the German language, on learning the German language, and you will lose fun. So to keep the motivation and concentration level as high as possible, there must be a variation. And that's what I'm going to do here in creating different types, motivating types of exercise for you to keep them very high the levels, to learn German very effectively. So that's what I'm going to show you here. And on the right side, you have some information about the German state. Also a nice fact about the book is not just the language, also basic information about the German state as well that you are going to learn with that book. And I'm skipping here. Each unit contains also one page or more than one page with exercises just for you to practice everything you learned in the other part of the unit. I mean the part that belongs to the course book. This means the book you are going to purchase maybe is a course and a workbook. Yeah, it's 2 in 1 actually. On the last page as well here of each exercise you have an overview of the vocabulary and important phrases and a grammar overview as well as the QR code that you can scan and open the video and solving the exercise. And I think that's it for now. If you're interested in my book, just check the link that I'm going to publish tonight. And you can check out the information on my webpage. And if you're sure to buy it, just buy it. I'm very glad if you're going to start learning German with me. I say thank you to everyone who will purchase it. And if not, even then, thank you for staying on my channel. Thank you for being my followers on Instagram. Thank you for learning German with me, however how. See you next time and ciao.